G'day, Bobby, tradie. And look, someone's told me to go to Gusto's in Strathmore. So it's not far from me, I'm just round the corner and I'm here. You can see it behind me, the signage, Gusto's Bakery, and I'm going to try one of their pies. So I'll let you know how it is. See ya. Okay, g'day, it's Bobby, tradie, and I'm back out the ute. And I've got my pie from Gusto's, and Pratty, don't say I never listened to you, buddy, because you made me come to this shop. And it just so happens it's round the corner, as I've already said, and let's have a look at their pie. So the warm, nice temperature, okay, it's narrow, it's not a real overly deep pie, beautifully cooked. Pastry feels good, Now I've got a curry one, so I can see the staining of the curry through the pastry. It looks quite nice. Okay. Oh, hang on. Looks beautiful. The filling. Smells good. Whoa. She's a beauty. The mince is just, the mix of mince and gravy is perfect. Oh, that's a really good pie, Pratty. You're on the money, mate. It's not the best yet, but we've equalled the leader. We're up with that's as good as Bridgewater. No doubt, that's as good as Bridgewater. Yeah. That's a good pie. Well done, Gusto's in Strathmore. You're there. See you during the week down at Horsham. See you.